Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're excited to introduce the LIVIVOX Walking Pad, a sleek and compact under-desk treadmill that's perfect for home or office use. With a powerful yet quiet 2.5 HP motor, this treadmill allows you to walk or jog at your desired pace without disturbing your surroundings. The LED display keeps you informed, tracking your distance, time, speed, and calories burned, while the remote control makes speed adjustments a breeze. Designed with a non-slip tread, it ensures a safe and comfortable walking experience, even during extended use. With a robust weight capacity of 265 pounds, this treadmill offers stability and support for users of various sizes. Plus, our 24-hour online service is always ready to assist you with any questions or concerns. Stay fit and achieve your fitness goals from the comfort of your living room with the LIVIVOX Walking Pad. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.